Okay, muscle car Oldsmobile fans. Got some seasonal updates here. Move the gold OG out. My F85 W-31. My first car. Had it 34 years yesterday. October 7th, 88. Brought that home. Moving my daughter's Cutlass convertible that we worked on for her high school graduation car. She drove that to graduation in June. We're going to be putting that in the enclosed trailer for the winter. Gotta kind of rub down, wax down, keep the bare metal from rusting. But almost 900 miles on that this summer. Trouble-free miles, I might add. Runs good. Runs good. Actually, got a cool little trophy at a local show a couple weeks ago. And in honor of a very good friend, unfortunately a late friend, Kenny Catelli, Rat Rod Ken. We left this car patinaed. That's the way he would have liked it. Baby girl, leave it like this. Nobody likes paint, he would say. So kind of bittersweet to put this away for the year, but that's all in preparation for this. My brother's recent acquisition. This is his dream car. It's another 69 W-31 Cutlass S. Loaded. Power windows, power bucket seats, all kinds of stuff. We call this car Mr. Jones. Mr. Jones was a pretty interesting car, and there'll be more videos about its background and its history and its significance in the muscle car game. So this one's going to be coming in the garage today, and we're gonna do our best to get this thing running in its current state and see what's there. You know, it's a numbers matching car, and lots of paperwork, lots of history. Very rough, but it's all there. So that's gonna come in, and then convertible will go in that. In there is my 68 SS396 El Camino. That will be going in the canvas tent here, right? This guy needs a 40 by 60 garage out here like tomorrow. But anyway, okay, so that's the update. We'll send you some more pictures. I'll send some more pictures as we get it unloaded and in the garage. And you'll see this in the garage, and this will be parked in its spot where it lives. So I'll have two W-31 4-speeds in the garage by nightfall. And there'll be another video showing that all. Okay? Here's another angle. Right, my F85 4-speed W-31. Well, this is Cutlass S. Joe's W-31 Cutlass S 4-speed. My 68 SS396 El Camino. Yes. Gosh, yes, that's a car. It's gonna be someday. Okay. I guess it does get better, good, bad, really bad. But we got it. Okay. Don't laugh too hard. It'll all work out. Okay, still at it here. Moving cars. Right? There's Mr. Jones, 69 W-31, my brother's car. This is the El Camino 68 SS 396, 350 horse, L34, turbo 400, 331 rear, originally red, black buckets console, dealer installed air, not factory air. It's the original hood for it, and obviously lots of extra parts. 68 138 code. I know you hear that a lot. The 138 code El Camino is 68. 68 is the only year that El Camino can be verified as an SS by the VIN. 68 is the only year. Last year for the Chevelle, right? 69, it just became an option. The 138 code El Camino is a 68. Otherwise, it was just an option pre-68 and post-68. So 138 VIN SS 396 L34 350 horse cast iron intake quadrojet, hydraulic motors. Right? The L78 would have been the 375 horse. Well, everybody knows that, right? Aluminum intake, solid lifters, blah blah blah. I don't have to give you guys a lesson. You know what we're talking about here. So this is the deal. So now the convertible is going to go in the box. The El Camino's going to go in the tent. My brother's W-31, aka Mr. Jones, is going to go in the garage next to the OG W-31 over there. Okay? And there's baby girl on the steps. Okay. All right. Okay, And just another little update. I just can't stand these 15-inch truck tires on the front. I know it's not going anywhere, I know it doesn't mean anything, but it makes me happy. Those are not going to stay on, so here we go. Little things. Put the original rallies back on. Isn't that so much better? That is so much better. Now, instead of the thing sitting in high in the front, it's actually got a rake to it. But whatever. We're just playing. We're just getting acquainted. Me and Mr. Jones here. Gotta have original wheels. Can't be messing around with that. 15-inch truck tire in the game. No good. Okay. Here we go. I'll do my best. I will do my best to keep you guys apprised of what we're doing here, okay? All right, wish me luck.